Hello everyone, this is Lexi from Roam Lab, and today we are trying out some new biking gloves. We have had a lot of fun with our bikes, but our hands have been pretty beaten up. Fortunately, Truck just sent us some awesome new gloves and even threw in a new pair of work gloves for us. These are the ZRP padded leather palmed gloves. I had to use the sizing chart on the Truck website. As you can see, my gloves are a snug fit with easy Velcro closures. The padding on the palm is a much welcome addition on those rough trails, and the conductive thread on the thumbs allow me to check my phone without taking off my gloves. The gloves come in two different colors. I got the blue azul and Chris has the black beauty, so we won't get them mixed up. We also have these fantastic work gloves, and I'm sure you'll see them in future DIY videos as we work more on our truck camper. If you found this helpful and you would like a pair for yourself, check out our link in the video description. You can keep up with us and our latest projects on our website, roamlab.com. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Lab for future biking adventures.